right hand for the exercise, and we will be using the thumb and the ring finger for it. Okay, so these two fingers are the ones we are going to place on the nostrils and regulate our breathing. On the other hand, on the left hand, we are going to connect the thumb and the index finger and release the other fingers. You can place them on your thigh when you're seated on the chair, or if you can sit in a cross-legged position, you can just place it on your knee and release the hands there. Okay, so for the exercise, we want to start with the thumb and the ring finger. I'm going to place the thumb on my right nostril. Just above the nostril, there is a point where you can block the airflow. So we always start from the left side in this exercise. So use the thumb of the right hand and place it and block the nostril. I'm going to take a deep breath in from my left nostril, the one that is open now. I close it with the ring finger and then exhale from the right nostril. Now we're going to breathe in from the right nostril and exhale from the left. And begin again from the left. And exhale from the right.